Probiotics are a good option for people who are suffering from digestive difficulties. Nowadays, excessive use of sugar, antibiotics, genetically customized foods, and continual emotional stress destroys the healthy microorganisms present in the body. Probiotics essentially preserve these microorganisms that are the ultimate cure for all digestive disorders. There are innumerable probiotics products present in the market with a handful of beneficial ingredients. So if you're confused about choosing a suitable product, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. The Ultimate Floramax 50 billion caps from Advanced Naturals is an extra strength probiotic formula. It contains 50 billion live cultures per capsule, including 30 billion bifidobacterium cultures. This product is designed to help re-establish digestive balance for those who experience occasional digestive discomfort. The delayed release vegetable capsules help ensure more friendly probiotics reach the intestinal tract. Apart from probiotics, it can be a great source to obtain fiber, and not to mention incorporating fiber-rich food items into your diet is a safe way to combat many stomach disorders. Plus, the nutrient can keep you feel full for hours and curb excess appetite as well. Regular intake will not only treat occasional constipation, but it will keep other stomach disorders at bay as well. The innate response formulas support intestinal health and immunity with 20 billion live cultures from 14 unique probiotics, including acid-resistant strains. It is gently filtered from food growth media to remove common allergens like gluten, dairy, and soy. Its microflora ferments the simple sugars that are the byproducts of carbohydrate digestion. The fermentation process promotes the complete digestion of carbohydrates, reduces putrefaction, and produces many important substances that enhance optimal health. Vitamin B12 on this probiotic nutritionally supports healthy glucose metabolism, as well as maintaining endothelial function. The carnitine transports fatty acids into the mitochondria, allowing the cells to get energy from the stored fat reserves. Next on the line, we have the Klaire Labs Ther-Biotic Complete. This capsule has a maximum support blend of 12 safe, complementary, and well-studied species to support optimal gut floral, immune, and gastrointestinal health. Its advanced intact technology helps live probiotics reach the small intestine and colon. On exposure to stomach acid, an intactic shield forms a gel-like matrix surrounding the probiotics, protecting them from damage. It offers unique functions, and when combined, synergistic probiotic nutritional support for both the small and large intestines. Additionally, it includes activity against undesirable flora, support for intestinal barrier integrity, immunity, and healthy inflammation response. The Renew Life Ultimate Flora Senior Formula Capsules has 30 billion rich cultures and 12 different strains to support digestive and immune health, plus delayed release technology for targeted delay. It also helps replenish bifidobacteria that can decline with age and is gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free. This probiotic supplement does not need to be refrigerated, so take it with you wherever you go. It contains cultures to promote regularity while also replenishing bifidobacteria that decline with age. This capsule is formulated to help active adults stay healthy. Each once-daily capsule provides powerful digestive and immune support to help you feel lighter, brighter, and more energized to take on the day. To meet women's unique needs, the Garden of Life Raw Probiotics offers 2 whole food formulas for women of all ages. This 85 billion colony-forming units probiotic supplement contains Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium for digestive health. It promotes bowel regularity, digestive functions, and health and nutrition absorption with probiotics to support constipation, colon, and vaginal health. Plus, it delivers probiotic creative vitamins, minerals, and prebiotics, as well as dairy digestive enzymes to help break down lactose and casein. On the other hand, it goes beyond probiotics, offering a broad range of benefits specifically targeted for women. Designed to promote ongoing digestive and immune health and everyday wellness for every member of the family with the all-new Culturelle Daily Probiotic. These capsules are powered by Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG probiotic strains, which helps your digestive system work better. It is naturally sourced and scientifically proven to work in harmony with your body to keep your digestive system balanced. This capsule meets the highest purity and potency standards when consumed, not just when we make it. To preserve the billions of colony-forming units in your Culturelle, you should store them in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Furthermore, this product is vegetarian and contains no gluten, milk, soy, wheat, or preservatives. We hope our video was informative and useful for you. Please show us your support by clicking the like button and subscribing to our channel to watch more videos about the latest products.